Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to do dropshipping on AliExpress. First of all, in the AliExpress application you should search for products with good reviews, reliable seller and fast shipping. For your convenience as well, you can save the links or product images of the ones that you want to sell. And then you need to set up your own online store using external platforms such as Instagram shop, it could be also TikTok shop, Amazon, whatever suits you the best. And once your store is ready, upload the product photos and write clear and simple description of your item. Set a price that covers the AliExpress cost, shipping, and of course your profit. And when a customer places an order, go back to AliExpress and place the order using your customer's name and shipping address. And the AliExpress will ship the item directly to your customer. And it's very convenient. Basically, dropshipping is very convenient because you don't need to hold any inventory. Just one thing that you need to provide your customer with tracking information and ask questions if they come up as soon as possible. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.